Every time you stream a video, use a smart device, or rely on real-time apps, data is constantly moving. But here is the problem. Sending all that data to distant cloud servers takes time. So, what if processing could happen closer to where the data is created? That is exactly what edge computing does. In this video, we will break down what edge computing is, how it works, and why it matters today. What is edge computing? Edge computing is a method of processing data near the source where it is generated, instead of sending it to a central cloud or data center. How does edge computing work? Edge computing works by using local devices or edge servers to process data. These include IoT devices, sensors, smart machines, local servers or gateways. Instead of sending raw data to the cloud, only important outputs are transmitted. Why is edge computing important? Edge computing is important because it solves key challenges in modern technology. First, it reduces latency, which means faster response times. Second, it improves data security, as sensitive data can be processed locally. Third, it supports real-time applications, where delays are not acceptable. This is critical in industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and transportation. Real-world examples of edge computing. Edge computing is widely used across industries. In self-driving cars, decisions happen instantly. In smart cities, systems respond in real time. In healthcare, devices monitor patients and send alerts immediately. These examples show how edge computing enables faster, smarter systems. Edge computing versus cloud computing. Edge computing does not replace cloud computing. Instead, they work together. Edge is faster with near real-time response, uses less bandwidth, and can work with limited internet. Cloud relies on centralized data centers, may have delays, and requires stable connectivity. Edge is ideal for real-time applications, while cloud is best for storage and large-scale computing. Together, they create a powerful and efficient system. So now you know what edge computing is and why it matters. As technology continues to grow, edge computing will play a key role in enabling faster, smarter, and more efficient systems. If you find this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for more insights on technology and professional skills. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.